Harkidun Valley is a cradle-shaped hanging valley in the Garhwal Himalayas. It is surrounded by snow-covered peaks and alpine vegetation. It is situated in western Ganges of Garhwal Himalayas at the base of Fateh Parvat. It is in Uttarkashi district of Uttarakhand state, which is surrounded by dense forests of pine and glittering mountain peaks. This valley is also known as Hanging Valley of Gods, and it is a treat for trekkers. This moderate trek takes you to one of the least explored regions of Garhwal, as Harkidun falls within Govind Pashu Vihar. Chances of seeing wildlife here are very bright. This valley is a base of Swarg Rohini at 21,000 feet. There are legends from our old Granths. It is mentioned that Pandavas went to heaven through this mountain. This is the place where you can find trees of Bhojpatra and flower Brahmakamal. Swarg Rohini and Junadhar Glacier is at southeast of Harkidun. Towards west, you can see Bandar Poonch. This valley is at an altitude of approximately 3500 meters above sea level and is snow covered during October to March. This valley is around 37 kilometers from Sakri. Sakri is a small village and the last road head to Govind Ballabh Pant Wildlife Sanctuary. It is located in Yamuna Valley, near Mori town in Uttarkashi district. This village is also known as gateway for trekking journey. This place is a base camp village for many treks point like Pali Pass, Kedar Kantha Trek and Harkidun Trek. There is a village called Sod around 500 meters from Sakri. This village is very beautiful with full of greenery all around. All houses are made with wood. There is a devta called Someshwar Mahadev is also worshipped in this village. Someshwar Mahadev is main devta of around 15 to 20 villages, including Sod, Gangad, Dhatmir and Osla. Distance from Delhi to Sakri is around 450 kilometers. After Sakri to Taluka, people travel by local jeep. Village Taluka is the base camp for trekkers to Harkidun, where people start their trek. Taluka is a small village with few shops and accommodations. GMVN and forest guest houses are also available here. Trek to the valley starts from the Taluka village and passes through Gangad, Osla and Sima. Harkidun is 27 kilometers from Taluka village. It has a moderate trek. The path is not difficult and the gradients are not steep. Makes it moderate is the length. It is a 2-day trek usually done in 2 stages. First stage is from Taluka to Sima, 13 kilometers, and second stage is from Sima to Harkidun is 14 kilometers. Har Ki Doon is a good trek for beginners. The trail gives you an all-round Himalayan experience. It takes you through ancient villages where you can watch and understand their unique culture and lifestyle. For nature lovers, Har Ki Doon Valley offers rich jungles abundant in bird and animal life. Variety of alpine flowers, plants, and beautiful view. The forests are a veritable paradise for bird watchers and nature lovers. The trek from Taluka to Usla is through dense forests of chestnuts, walnuts, willows, and chinars. The tree Buran is also known as Gurans. There is an evergreen shrub or small tree with a showy display of bright red flowers. Buran is the national flower of Nepal. In India, it is state tree of Uttarakhand and state flower of Himachal Pradesh and Nagaland. The tree, discovered in 1993 at Mount Jefu in Kohima district of Nagaland. Village Gangad is around 10 kilometers from Taluka. The village is very beautiful with its people and culture. Villagers manage their living in very difficult conditions. A source of income are very few for them. There are 4 villages on the route to Har Ki Doon, as there are no electricity, no roads, no higher education, and no medical facilities available for their villagers. They are surviving in a very poor condition. According to local people, they had approached to government many times, but no response from government. People of this region work hard for their livelihood. Local people survives on farming rice, potato, and rajma. The Tons is the largest tributary of the Yamuna and flows through Garhwal region in Uttarakhand, touching Himachal Pradesh. The Tons thrust is named after this river. Research points to the possibility of the ancient Saraswati River having had a source in the glacial waters of the Himalayas. The theory states that the Tons River became a tributary of the Yamuna a few thousand years ago. Camping is very popular on this trek to enjoy the beauty of these places. There are many sources of water on the way. They are natural and pure. Sima is the point where people end their first day trekking. Sima is also most beautiful place with its natural beauty. It is situated at the bank of Tons River. There is a GMVN guest house at Sima along with couple of shops and houses. Second day trek starts from Sima to Harkidun is 14 kilometers. Whenever you read about the Harkidun Valley, you read about the mythical stories of Mahabharata. Harkidun literally means Valley of God or Shiva. The story goes that there was a clan that was faithful towards Duryodhan that lived in village Osla. They were so loyal to Duryodhan that they built a temple for him, and till date they preach Duryodhan and not any other god in Osla. It is believed that Duryodhan did the good deed with them. The village has its own set of rules and regulations with its own government. The people there still dress up in certain way and their attire clearly depicts the culture and traditions. They have a devta called Someshwar Mahadev who visits the village once a month and when the main puja is done for the entire village. They believe their devta as their god. There are total 250 houses in the village with approximately 600 inhabitants. Every house has cow and goats, which are their major source of milk. The villagers have potato and wheat fields, which is their source of food and income. Trek from Osla to Harkidun is through terraced mountain fields, lush green grasslands and conifer forests. After crossing Sima, there are only two small points where refreshments can be available. During July to October, places are full of greenery and flowers covering all around. This place is really heaven on earth with its beauty and peace. The ancestors of the people of this region have great influence of the characters of Mahabharata. The ancestors of this area and surroundings were said to be under the region of Kauravas and Pandavas, the mythological royal warriors and kings in the epic Mahabharata. Here you can enjoy the first view of gigantic mountain ranges, sunset and sunrise. It gives a magical view of the mountain, which attracts many trekkers. Maninda Lake is very popular place among trekkers who visits Harkidul. The trail is thin and can occupy only one person at a time. This valley leads to Barasu Pass, which acts as an entry gate to Himachal. Maninda Lake is 3 kilometers from Harkidul. Junadhar Glacier at 4300 meters is just about 5 kilometers from Harkidul. Junadhar Glacier is one of the least visited glaciers of India.